Hello my joyful sunshine friends, today I'm drawing Bluey with a funny little lion. As the colors fill the page, I'll share a story full of roars, giggles, and big fluffy fun. Before we begin, give the video a happy like, so Bluey and Bingo can roar even louder with joy. It's a bright and sunny morning, Bluey and Bingo are playing in the yard. They build a big pretend jungle with green leaves and pillows, and Bluey shouts proudly, "Welcome to the jungle adventure." Bingo claps her paws, "I'm the jungle explorer." Bluey grins wide, "And I'm the jungle queen." Dad peeks from the window, chuckling, "You two are wilder than the real jungle." Suddenly, a loud roar echoes from behind the bushes. Bingo jumps and gasps, "What was that?" Bluey looks around with big eyes. It sounded like a lion. The bushes rustle again, and out pops a small, fluffy toy lion with a golden mane. Bingo giggles, "It's so cute." Bluey tilts her head, "But where did it come from?" Dad walks outside, pretending to whisper, "Maybe it escaped from the zoo." Bluey gasps, "Oh no. We have to take care of it." Bingo nods fast, "Let's be the lion keepers." The two sisters make a soft bed for the lion, using blankets, leaves, and a tiny pillow. "Shoo, he's sleepy," says Bluey softly. But the toy lion suddenly growls again, roar, Bingo bursts out laughing, "He's a noisy one." Bluey stands tall and says, "Okay, little lion, time for your royal breakfast." She brings a bowl of pretend cookies and calls, "Yummy jungle treats." The lion tips over, and the cookies roll away. Bluey giggles, "Oops, I think he wants real food." Dad smiles and joins the play, "Maybe this lion likes carrots, just like Bingo." Bingo shakes her head quickly, "Lions don't eat carrots, Dad." Mum comes out with apple slices and smiles, "Well, maybe today's lion does." Bluey feeds the toy lion carefully, then makes a loud nom 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 sound to pretend he's eating. Bingo claps, "Good lion." The lion wiggles a little, and Dad pretends it's alive, making it roar again. "Roar. I'm the tickle lion," says Dad in a deep voice. "Run, Bingo," shouts Bluey with laughter, "the tickle lion is coming." Dad crawls slowly, roaring and tickling them both. Bingo squeals, "No, lion, stop tickling." Bluey rolls on the grass, laughing so hard she can't stand up. Mum watches with a big smile, "Looks like the jungle is full of giggles today." The yard fills with laughter and pretend roars, as Bluey and Bingo jump and hide behind the trees. "Can you roar like a lion too?" asks Bluey playfully. "Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, roar." Their roars echo happily through the air. When the game slows down, Bluey gently hugs the toy lion and says, "You're our best jungle friend." Bingo pats its head and whispers, "Sleep well, little lion." Dad stretches and laughs, "I think I need a nap too, zookeeper Bingo." Bluey giggles, "Okay, Daddy Lion." They all laugh again, rolling on the soft grass. The toy lion sits proudly beside them, its golden mane glowing under the warm afternoon light. As the sky turns orange, Bluey looks at Bingo and says softly, "That was the funniest jungle ever." Bingo nods, "Yeah, and our lion was the kindest one." Dad yawns and smiles, "Even lions need bedtime after all that roaring." They cuddle close under the tree, listening to the breeze whisper through the leaves. Bluey smiles, "Good night, funny lion," and the toy lion stays still and happy, as the family enjoys a cozy, roaring sunset together.